So this is my spider robot which I have connected, and this is your Lobot LSC20 version 1.3 motor controller. So I have already connected this motor controller on the spider robot. So as you can see all here different servo motors, but there was nothing happening, no? So I tried to test the voltages uh, with multimeter. What I have detected is for all these servo pins I am getting voltage of around 8 volt. No, normally it should be 5 volt. Because I have here voltage devices, I am trying to put like around 5 volts, 6 volts, 7 volt up to, because there are some voltage regulators at the back side. But the voltage which I am getting from this pin is around like 8 volt, 7 volt. I think the voltage regulator is damaged. I don't know what's wrong with this IC. Normally it should be 5 volts for all these servo pins. So I have also installed here this LSC20 control software through the USB device. I have like, it's also not getting detected. So I cannot program this servo controller through this software. I have checked in my device manager. As you can see, Windows device manager, the motor controller is also not getting detected. So my guess is this motor controller board is not working at all. I have checked this Raspberry Pi is working. All the servo motors are also working. I have some other motor controller from Adafruit. So I want you guys to replace this stuff, I think. Else I will send the whole spider robot back. Thank you.